Wait! Take one of trying to do a video with Lish. Sit. Good boy. Wait. Shut up. Ready? Pitch. Lish. Pitch. You can see him down there. Hey. Here's a go. Give me a go. Ready? Yeah. Sit your backside. Ready? Pitch. Good boy. No. He's having a quick. Wow. Ready? Pitch. Sorry. You can't. Ignore the dog in the background that you can hear. Lish! Give me alcohol. Here's a go. Here's a go. Guys, he's teasing me right now. Here's a go. Give me a go. Give me a go. Give me a go. Find that no baby born after. Fine then. Come on, Tommy, you're on time. Let's see what he does. He came. I don't know if you caught that one on camera, but I don't know if it caught it. Hey, yeah. Whoa, slow. Chill. Just, get your backside. Get down. Sit. Wait. I said wait. So, all it will be is me chucking the Kong, the red thing, this. Hey, I'm showing the viewers. Chill. Wow. No. Ow. Whoa. So basically, that's his Kong right there. This. And then it's got a butt like a nylon, so it will never... It won't run out for a while. And as you can tell, he is really athletic-ish. Don't even think about that one. Lish? So this is the Kong that I'm trying to explain, but clearly my dog is there, but basically he is a Velociraptor. He likes his Nylabone. Can I get it out? Can I get it out is question. Yes, this is the... So basically, this is the Nylabone. Used to be a bit longer than this, but... Like, this side used to be a lot longer. But, we got it for him when he was 6 months old. And, what the hell? So, you guys also asked what is... What? Hey, you... I just give him a whack because... Like... Get off my slipper! He's after my slippers. Sit. No. No. Sit. Sit down. Wait. Lish. Pop. Basically, he's after this. Right, sit. Hey, sit. I said sit.